Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat Music, how you can add music to your snaps. First of all, just open up the Snapchat application in your mobile and go to your camera. To select a song to use, tap this music icon in the top right corner. Now scroll through the future sounds to find one you want to use. Tap the play button beside the song name to listen a preview of it. Tap the name of the sound you want to use. You will then a sound wave slider appears towards the bottom of your screen. Sideways to adjust which part of the song you want to use. Tap the play button beside it to hear a preview of your selected selection. When you are ready, go ahead and snap a photo or video. Similar to how music works on Instagram stories, a sticker will appear on your snap showing the song information. You can place the sticker wherever you like on your snap. If you remove the sticker, the sound will be removed with it. When you are done adding filters, stickers and text to your snap, go ahead and send it to a friend or post it on your story. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.